blankets the pines in silver white. Lanterns glow and cabin panes humming low. The winter trains, I hear the wind, it sings so clear, whispering Christmas is near. Down Pinewood, Carol Road, where the fiddle hums and the bells explode. Voices rise, warm hearts unfold on Pinewood, Carol Road. Tracks of deer by the frozen creek, echoes of boots on the old plank squeak. Candles line the path we tread, flickering gold. The world's well fed, I taste the air, it's sharp and sweet. Winter's gift beneath my feet. Down Pinewood, Carol Road, where the fiddle hums and the bells explode. Voices rise, warm hearts unfold on Pinewood, Carol Road. A crackling fire, a tale retold. The stars are lanterns, the night feels bold. Chiming dreams in the mountain cold, it's all we need. The stories hold down Pinewood, Carol Road, where the fiddle hums and the bells explode. Voices rise, warm hearts unfold on Pinewood, Carol Road.